Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the liquid eyeliner from the brand Bellapierre Cosmetics that I got in my July 2021 Boxycharm base box, which if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I was not too psyched to get this just because I don't ever really wear black liquid eyeliners, and to me they're just such a boring product for me to get in my subscription boxes because I have so many of them that I have gotten in subscription boxes. But so this claims to be a jet black liquid liner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines, long-lasting formula, dries quickly for a beautiful matte finish. So even the description doesn't sound too exciting, but it retails for $20, which I think is very expensive for a liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliners, in my opinion, are a product that you do not have to spend honestly more than $1 for, because you can get great ones at the dollar store from LA Colors, or e.l.f. makes really great liquid liners. And so actually the first thing that I notice is that the wand, it's not even a wand, the applicator is not what I like for liquid liner. It's a very stiff, pointy applicator. The tip seems maybe a little bit more flexible than I thought at first, but this tends to be uncomfortable to apply to the eye and more difficult when it's not like a brush tip or very flexible. It did create a very thin line and good black color. So here is that swatch. I don't think the packaging is anything all that exciting either or different, but okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try and line my upper lash line. It's actually not hurting my eye to apply, like it's not poking my eye. And I do like how I can get a very, very skinny line, especially in the inner corner, because I wanted to kind of start out as skinny as possible, then get a little bit thicker towards the outer corner, or even a little bit of a wing. But it is applying a little bit jaggedy. So when that happens, I use the technique of like holding my eyelid and applying it like this. Oh no, it's dried down, so now as I'm trying to go over it, it's actually removing the line and looking like a real mess. So let's see. I have to dip back into the ink. Yeah, this is definitely not the easiest liquid liner to apply. And now as I'm trying to get precise and get right on the lash line, it is kind of poking my eye. So now let's see if it smudges. No, so that's good that at least it sticks down, no smudging. It's gonna be long lasting. It was supposed to have a matte finish, but it doesn't look matte. It has some shine to it. Okay, I feel like this eye is looking like a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the other eye. I think this eye is coming out better because you have to work quickly with this, which is kind of tricky because the applicator doesn't hold that much product. And up close, it just looks messy. It's hard to get a smooth, even line with this applicator. And it's also really hard to get right onto that lash line, and I feel like when you can see a separation between the liner and the lashes, it just looks bad. So here is how my finished eyeliner looks. And from a distance, I do like how it looks on the eyes. I think it does help to enhance the eyes. Just at the top liner, I think, is what helps enhance my eyes. But then again, I feel like the more I look at it, the more I'm like, it's making my eyes look smaller, and that's not what I want. But then when I look up close, it just looks messy, uneven, and I am so picky about how my makeup looks that this is just not a product that I am going to be using. Regardless of the fact that I wear liquid liner or not, it's just not a product that I like. I don't like the applicator, I don't like the formula. I do like that it's smudge proof and long lasting, but for $20, it's like I was saying, there are way better inexpensive liquid eyeliners that I would recommend instead. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.